work on empathy and compassion, one of the things I find myself thinking about lately is that the extent of the mental health crisis that we've been experiencing in this country. This is an issue that started before the pandemic and has now been really accelerated and exacerbated by the COVID-19 crisis. And so I see empathy and compassion as being two kind of tools that we can use in our toolbox to try to address this issue. And as well, in the Center for Empathy and Technology, we of course aim to look at how technology promotes or undermines empathy and compassion and well-being. And so I think that kind of pairing technological methods and solutions and using those things to potentially try to spread empathy and compassion in the world can help address things like the mental health crisis that we're currently experiencing.
Empathy and compassion are important because they are the foundation of human connections and relationships. And we have a real opportunity to leverage technological advances to help streamline healthcare systems and processes to leave more space for that human connection and that empathetic patient and provider relationship.
Empathy and compassion to me is the embodiment of values that really help us to show generosity to each other. It's a kind of generosity of spirit. It's an openness to building community with others, sharing your time, sharing yourself, trying to understand them and their struggles, and trying to advocate for structural changes that can really help us all live healthy and productive and happy lives.
Empathy is important to me because it fosters social connections, and connections are really important to be healthy and happy. Also, empathy can help us on the flip side to really respect other people's boundaries and to not do harm and to not take advantage of other people. And then thirdly, when somebody is harmed or is suffering, empathy can really mobilize us to reach out and take action to help them or support them. So I really think that for me, empathy is like a good shortcut and a good way to sort of be effective in maintaining connection as well as respect.
So empathy and compassion are important to me because I think that they are what we need to help build a better society with more empathetic and compassionate people.
I try to live every day with empathy and compassion in mind. So to be able to work in a setting that puts empathy and compassion in the forefront and its mission makes life a lot more fulfilling.